420 Things Grow in Ontario. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the lights are reflecting off the screen like crazy. Welcome to the channel if you've never seen it. And this CLOUDLINE T4 video brought you here. Check out some of my other videos. I got a bunch of grow videos and tents, and I got a bunch of stuff on the go. But this one is in relation to the settings of this controller. So I want to use the temperature controlling feature of this mode, right? So I've set my temperature. It's set at 20. I mean, that's unrealistic, but regardless, it's set to 20. So it's at 25 in my tent. I got the light going on in there. I got nothing in there. Just got a humidity humidifier and my light. And it's going, I'm like, okay, so it's coming on, and it's only going to 6. I'm like, I remember reading in the instructions somewhere that when you're on the on mode, you can do 0 to 10. But what I didn't realize, and maybe this is just me and nobody else has had this issue, but I had this issue, and I'm going to go, why want to go past 6? Bang in my head. So then I started messing with buttons, and I went over, and I cycled through all this stuff, okay? And I ended up getting back to the on setting. Now, the on setting is just the fan's on all the time, and it's at this setting, okay? I go, oh, look, it is set to 6. So then I went up to 10. The fan kicks in, and it goes to 10. I'm like, perfect. Like that, I know it can go to 10, so it's not something messed up with the fan. But now, that on mode setting trickles over to the auto mode. As you can see, it's at 7. It ramps up, right? So this is a little bit unrealistic because I have it set very, very low for this video. But it'll come on at 1, 2, 3, and it'll go all the way up to 10 as it's adjusting for temperature. But because I didn't realize that on setting trickled in over here, I was running into some problems. Anybody else is? I don't know. But anyways, this is how you can fix that problem of your fan not going above 6. Factory setting for the on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just a quick video of this AC Infinity. I'm setting it up. I'm tweaking it. I'm doing that. I'll have another video for that, an unboxing, all that jazz. But it's probably already on the channel, so you can check that out. But this one is to fix that problem. All right, like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. Yeah.